Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth insights on the latest and greatest in home decor and more. Today, we're diving into what we proudly call the best Christmas shower curtain bathroom decor Santa Snowman tree, the Bonsai tree Christmas shower curtain in the popular 72 by 72 inch size. Now, imagine stepping into your bathroom and being instantly greeted by a cheerful snowman wrapped in a scarf, surrounded by twinkling stars, snowflakes, and a festive Christmas tree. This isn't just a shower curtain, it's a winter wonderland waiting to transform your space into a holiday haven. What makes this curtain stand out is its premium polyester fabric. It's not just durable but also fade resistant, so you won't lose that sharp, vivid print even after multiple washes. And speaking of washes, it's fully machine washable. Just pop it into a cold, gentle cycle, and it dries quickly, ready to hang again without fuss. If you're someone who likes everything crisp and clean, you can even iron it on low heat. Installation couldn't be easier. It comes with 12 hooks that slip easily into the metal grommets along the top. No drills, no extra tools, just hang and enjoy. It fits both straight and curved shower rods, so you don't need to worry about compatibility. Whether you're updating your own bathroom, prepping a guest space, or decorating a rental or hotel bathroom for the season, this curtain adds the perfect festive charm without any hassle. The design itself is a showstopper. Using digital printing technology, the images pop with life. The snowman isn't just cute, he's inviting. The snowflakes don't just blend in, they sparkle with holiday cheer. You're not just decorating a bathroom, you're creating an experience. It's like a Christmas card come to life every time you step into the shower. It also offers blackout opacity, which not only adds privacy but helps give your bathroom that cozy, enclosed winter feel. Perfect for a chilly morning shower or relaxing holiday soak after a long day. Let's not forget, this curtain is more than a decor item. It's a seasonal statement piece. Something that says, we love the holidays and we care about the little details. Whether you're buying it for yourself, gifting it to a friend, or adding it to a guest bathroom, it's sure to get compliments and bring smiles. So if you're looking for a quick, festive way to level up your Christmas bathroom game, the Bonsai tree Christmas shower curtain is the go-to choice this season. You get quality, charm, and practicality all wrapped into one delightful package. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more top product insights. Happy holidays and see you in the next one.